all are doing great. I'm also fine. So today I'm going to tell you about something about English language, as English is not our mother tongue, is not our native language. So I'm going to teach you how to speak this language correctly, because it is a globally accepted language of communication. If you want to travel or you want to work with some MNC other companies out of India, as there is lot of out of sourcing work is being done by the Americans. They send their work here, and we Indians are very lucky to get the opportunity to do those works. So English is accepted as the language of communication, and it is accepted as a business language. It is the passport for the employment for most of us who are willing to work in an MNC, multinational companies based in US, UK and around the globe. So let's start it. So every language has 4 pillars of learning: listening, speaking, reading, writing. So we'll listen to the sounds and follow them in our speaking and writing. Then we speak those sounds. We combine those sounds to form a word, and words are combined to form a sentence. After that, reading drills are given, keeping in mind all the 6 forms of pronunciation speech. That is where in the word or sentence stress is given, rise and fall of the sound, which technical means intonation. Then after, we'll check for the rhythm of the sound, whether the rhythm is going correctly, like words are rhyming, or you can say proper musical. If we are reading in like in music, we speak rise and fall, and proper उसकी लय जो होती है वो आ रही है, fluency, where pauses are given, where stops are given. So all these things are taken care of while reading. And after that, writing of sound in which, and the writing is the important part. If we don't write in legible form, we cannot impress others. If we are giving some article, or we are giving some exam, so writing is the most important part, and to write it legibly, we have to learn some grammar rules. We have to increase our vocabulary so that we use the legible, nice words, nice presentation of word is given to write a thing correctly. So these are all the 4 pillars of learning a language: listening, speaking, reading and writing. So my course is designed keeping in mind all these 4 pillars of learning a language. So let's start further. Vowels and consonants. So now we'll talk about vowels. So vowels are 5 in number: A, E, I, O, U. These are not the vowel sounds. These are the vowel letters in English alphabet. 5 alphabets are assigned as vowels. A, E, I, O, U. They are 5 in number, but vowel sounds are more in number. They are 20 in number. 12 are single vowel sounds and 8 are double vowel sounds, which I'll explain further. Consonants. Consonants may be defined as a sound in the production of which the obstruction is a result of the narrowing of a complete closure of the ear passage. अब consonants क्या होते हैं? These are the sounds जिसमें हमारी vocal cord vibrate नहीं करती हैं और इसमें complete obstruction होता है और complete closure होता है ear passage का, like जब हम प तो इसमें क्या है, हमारी क्या कहते हैं, vocal cord भी हमारी vibrate नहीं कर रही है प और इसमें obstruction हो रही है हमें बोलने में, ear passage की obstruction हो रही है जब हम इनको बोलते हैं. Now comes phonemes, smallest unit of sound. हिंदी में हम कहते हैं ना वर्ण, तो वर्ण क्या होती है? शब्द की सबसे छोटी इकाई. ठीक है, तो फोनीम्स हमारे वर्ण होते हैं जिनकी अलग अलग साउंड होती है और ये टोटल 44 होते हैं. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन इट फर्दर. फोनिक साउंड दो तरह की होती हैं, वॉल्स, कॉन्सोनेंट्स. तो वॉल्स मैंने आपको बताया था ऊपर कि दो तरह के होते हैं, प्योर वॉल साउंड, सिंगल वॉल साउंड जिसको हम कहते हैं और इन्हें हम मोनोथॉन्ग्स भी कहते हैं. एंड इम्प्योर वॉल साउंड्स आर द डिप्थॉन्ग्स. सिंगल प्योर वॉल साउंड्स आर 12 in number and diphthongs that are double vowel sounds are 8 in number. And there are 24 consonant sounds in English language. So there is a difference between pronunciation and spellings. Wrong pronunciation will lead to wrong spellings. For example, we write W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. It's Wednesday. When we speak, it becomes Wednesday. W-O-R-L-D. It becomes word when we pronounce it. R is silent. In British accent, R is silent, that is, it is a non-rhotic sound. But in American language, it is a rhotic sound. In America, we used to speak world, but in India, but in British, we used to speak word. Q-U-E-U-E, and when we pronounce it, it's Q. You can see these are the phonemes which it seems to be difficult for you right now, but when we will go to the drills, you will be able to learn it and will be able to understand the difference between them. So in pronunciation, it is a 3-letter word, Q, and while writing, we write Q-U-E-U-E, 5-letter word. Laughter, and we used to speak it laughter. Here R is silent, and there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words which we have to pronounce for it, and we write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words while writing. So push, whack, that, fall. This is how it is pronounced, but in writing, sometimes we write more words, sometimes we write less words. So phonic chart explained. So this is the list of British phonic chart, which is 44 in number. In green, dark green, they are single vowel sounds which are monophthongs. In dark blue, they are diphthongs, they are single vowel sounds. And in light blue, they are consonants which are 24 in number. This is American phonic chart in which monophthongs which are in dark green color, they are 11 in number, and the diphthongs, double vowel sounds which are 5 in number, and consonants are same both in British and American phonic chart which are 24 in number. So there is a difference between the British English and American English. So I have listed some of the words with the difference in both the accents of the language. So as previously we saw that in British English there are 12 single vowel sounds and 8 double vowel sounds, but in American English there are 11 single vowel sounds and 5 double vowel sounds. So there is a slight difference between both the language accents in some of the words, but most of the words are same. So here's the list. First one is WATER, that is water. We used to speak water, and Americans used to speak water. We used to speak because we used to speak British English. As we all know, Britishers advent India and ruled our country for so many years. So in India, British English is used. So to TOUR, tour, we use tour, and they used to speak two. What and American English, what. We used to speak after, they used to speak after. We used to speak ear, they used to speak ear. Hair, and they used to speak hair. We used to speak sow, they used to speak sow. We used to speak AIR, and they used to speak air. We used to speak shop, they used to speak shop. Was. Want. Job. Also. Bear, BEAR means bear, and bag.